EDaily Conversation.
Hello! What can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I have a chicken sandwich, please?
Sure. Would you like that on white bread or whole wheat?
Whole wheat, please.
Do you want cheese on it?
Yes, please. Cheddar cheese.
Anything to drink?
Can I get an iced latte?
What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium is fine.
Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
Anything else for you today?
No, that is all. Thank you.
Your total is $11.50. Cash or card?
By card, please.
Thank you. Please tap your card here.
Here is your receipt. Your food will be ready in 5 minutes.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Hi, Sarah. What do you like to do in your free time?
Hi, Mark. I really like reading books and cooking.
Oh, nice. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly mystery books. They are very exciting. How about you?
I prefer outdoor activities. I love hiking and playing soccer.
Wow, hiking sounds fun. How often do you go?
I try to go every Saturday morning if the weather is good.
Do you go alone?
No, I usually go with my brother or a few friends.
That's wonderful. I want to try hiking someday.
You should join us next time. It is a great way to exercise.
Really? I would love to. Thank you for inviting me.
Of course. I will text you the details this Thursday.
Sounds perfect. See you later.
Excuse me. Do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you?
I am looking for these running shoes in a size 8.
Let me check the back room for you. What color do you want?
The black ones, please.
Okay, please wait 1 minute. Here you go. Size 8 in black.
Thank you. Can I try them on?
Of course. There is a bench right behind you.
Thanks. They feel a bit tight.
Do you want to try a size 8.5?
Yes, please. That might be better.
Here is the 8.5. How do they feel?
These fit perfectly. They are very comfortable.
Great! They are actually on sale today.
Oh, really? How much are they?
They are usually $80, but today they are $60.
That is a good price. I will take them.
Excellent. Please follow me to the cash register.
Excuse me, is the public Wi-Fi working today?
Yes, it is working. Are you having trouble connecting?
Yes. I see the network name, but I don't know the password.
Ah, it is a locked network. The password is on this card.
Let me see. Is it all lowercase letters?
Yes, all lowercase. It is Library 2026.
Okay, let me type it in. Library 2026.
Did it work?
No, it says incorrect password.
Oh, wait. I am sorry. That was last month's password. The new one has an exclamation mark at the end.
So it is Library 2026 exclamation mark?
Yes, exactly. Try it now.
Okay. Perfect! It is working now.
Great. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Happy studying.
Good morning, Mark. Are you ready for the meeting?
Good morning, Sarah. Oh no, what meeting?
The team meeting with the manager. It starts in 5 minutes.
Really? I thought it was at 2 p.m.
No, they changed it to 10 a.m. Did you check your email?
No. I was working on my project all morning.
You should hurry. Bring your laptop and a notebook.
Where is the meeting? In room A or room B?
It is in room C on the second floor.
Okay, I am getting my things now. Is the manager already there?
Yes, she just walked in. Don't worry, you still have 4 minutes.
Thanks for telling me, Sarah. I would be completely lost without you.
No problem. See you upstairs in a moment.
Hi, I want to borrow this book, please.
Sure. Do you have your library card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. You have a late fee of $2.
Oh, really? Why?
Your last book was 3 days late.
I am sorry. I forgot. Can I pay the fee now?
Yes, you can pay with cash or card.
Here is $2 in cash.
Perfect. Thank you. Now I can check out this new book for you.
Great! How long can I keep it?
You can keep it for 2 weeks. The due date is June 1st.
Can I renew it online if I need more time?
Yes, just visit our website before the due date.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy reading.
Wow, it is really dark outside.
Yes, look at those black clouds.
Is it gonna rain today?
Let me check the weather app on my phone.
What does it say?
It says there is an 80% chance of rain this afternoon.
Oh no, I wanted to go to the park.
You should stay inside. The app says there might be a thunderstorm.
Is it gonna be cold too?
No, the temperature is quite warm, around 22 degrees.
Okay, I will bring my umbrella just in case.
Good idea. And don't forget to close the windows before we leave.
Right. I will do that now.